me being influenced by other YouTubers? Have I? Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day today, and today's video is all about being influenced by my fellow YouTubers. My friend Quirky of Classics with a Quirk, I will have her channel linked down below, challenged me to look at my stuff and fess up if any of it had been influenced. I had been influenced to purchase it by anyone else. I first thought, I'm impervious. I'm impervious to influence. I make up all my own decisions. Yeah. Then I had a look around and I was like, no. I have been influenced into purchasing some things. I've made a note of them. I've got eye candy for you. And not only have I bought things that I have been influenced to buy, but there are things now on my wish list that I have been influenced to put on my wish list. So after I've shared all my eye candy with you, I'll be letting you know what those pieces are and the likelihood of me getting my grubby little paws on them. For everyone that I mention, everyone who has influenced me, I will have their channels linked down below so you can go over and be influenced by them too. The first one is just a little thing, it is the Victoria Beckham eyeliner, and it was Dale of Dale's Addiction influenced me to try this, and I really like it. I find it really soft, so it's kind of perfect for smudging, not so perfect for doing a defined line. I prefer my Gucci eyeliner for that, but I really like it. I got it in this green colour, this really sort of dark green. Probably won't show up particularly well on screen there, but it is a gorgeous colour and I do like it enough that I would like to get more of these. Another makeup thing that I was influenced to try was the Guerlain Meteorite, and I've got them, recently crushed one of these into, a couple of these into my carpet because I didn't notice that a couple had escaped while I was filming a cheeky little get ready with me. My good friend Maria of Maria Louise Loves Luxury turned me on to these. She influenced me to try them and I love them. I basically wear them all the damn time. I don't wear foundation or anything like that, so I just have a little bit of a brush of that over the top and absolutely love them. So those are the little makeup-y things out of the way. The next thing kind of is a makeup-y thing, but I didn't get it for the makeup, if that makes sense. And I've already put fingerprints on it. It is the Prada metallic-y makeup lipstick box. This came as a lipstick set. In here there was a little inlay with a full-size bullet and 3 refills, and I was fully 100% influenced to hunt this down, or the lion hunted it down for me, by my friend Mary of the YouTube channel Lumi Level Up. She showed hers, and I'm going to keep blinding you if I do that. She showed hers, and I was instantly like, well, I have to have that. I absolutely have to have that. That wasn't even a slow burn influence. That was an instant influence. Let's move into some of the bigger items now and a little bit more eye candy for you. And the first handbag, not the first one I was influenced to buy, but the first one I'm showing you today I was influenced to buy is the mini puzzle, and I was influenced by Connor of the Closet by Connor to try the puzzle. I had seen them, I wasn't that, it looks all right, it looks nice. And then Connor shared his, which is the size up from this. His is in the small, this is in the mini. And he absolutely loves it. And he was showing it off. And I was like, oh, maybe there's something in that. The leather on this is absolutely fantastic. The colour I find a little bit difficult to style because you have sort of pinks, so it's a difficult colour for me to style, but it is a colour that goes with everything as long as you're not wearing like top to toe pink. But it is a great little bag, and this mini has made me want to get the small as well because it is such a fabulous little bag. There were things about it I thought would put me off even looking at it. I thought the flap would annoy me, it would be difficult to get in and out of, all of that kind of stuff. Connor showed me the way. Connor showed me that completely usable, completely fabulous, wonderful little bag, and thank you for influencing me, Connor. If you are new to my channel, then hiya, I am Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. If you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, get down there, hit subscribe. It doesn't cost anything, unlike luxury. Ring my bell so you don't miss out on any of my luxury-based shenanigans. Show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Forget it. I have the YouTuber who I gave my very first subscription ever to blame for this next one, and that is the lovely, lovely Autumn Beckman, and it is the Beat 18 from Coach, doing the patented Autumn Beckman spin there, and this is from the Coach Basquiat collection. And I don't think I'd ever heard of Basquiat before this collection. Big in the States, not so big in the UK. The illustrations on this I absolutely love. I saw the collection on Autumn's channel and I was like, I have to have a piece from that collection. And this was the shape of the bag, this was the bag that I wanted the most. It's unusual for me because it's kind of beige in colour, but I absolutely adore the illustrations of, and this is 100% down to Autumn. And Autumn did actually send me the cute little pouch. I'll get it for you. Here it is. This is the cute little pouch that Autumn sent to me as a gift for birthday, Christmas a couple of years ago. It's too big to actually use with the Beat 18 bag, but it is gorgeous. And this is the colour and the design that the other version of this Beat 18 came in. And while I really, really liked it, it was this illustration that really did it for me. This took a bit of hunting because there wasn't much of this brought to the UK. Again, it was a big thing in the US, but not in the UK. It was on the website. It was more than I wanted to pay for a Coach bag on the website. And then it went out of stock. And then I just happened to be on the website again, maybe 6 months later, and one of them popped up. So I was like, buy. And I absolutely love this. This is our youngest's favourite bag out of my entire collection. He absolutely loves it. He thinks it's fabulous. And I think it's a great little bag. And I thank Autumn for not only influencing me to buy this particular bag, but introducing me to the art of Basquiat. Not only did Dale influence me to try the Victoria Beckham eyeliner, but yeah, my colibris as well, 100%. She influenced me to try the colibris because she said they work for wide feet. Now, I have basically avoided designer footwear on the basis that I've got weirdly wide little stumpy little trotters, and normal shoes from normal shops just don't seem to work for me. I tend to have to go for a wide fit in most things, and the likelihood that any designer shoe, especially a pump like this, would actually fit me, would fit my wide little trotters, it just didn't compute at all. It just didn't match up at all with any of my life experience with these feet. Dale said they work for wide feet. I tried them on, they work for wide feet. So I have 2 pairs of them now, and I would happily add more. Yes, I would happily add more. Thank you again, Dale. Now, other footwear that I have been influenced to buy was, and basically from this YouTuber, I could be influenced to buy so much stuff because I love her style, I love her collection. It is the mighty Cassie Thorpe, of course it is, and in particular these Gucci trainers. They're a little bit grubby because I wear them all the time. I absolutely love these. I was influenced to try these. I tried them on in store. I bought them, I think it was my birthday in 2022 when we went into Harrods. Didn't unbox them for a while, then panicked and thought, what if I don't like them? They felt comfy in store, but you know what it's like. You get them home, you try stuff on again, and you're like, oh no, actually that doesn't work. So the first time I wore these, I decided, why not wear them on a day trip into Harrods to do a full-on shopping day? That's not a bad idea at all, is it? That's not going to result in blisters at all, is it? It didn't. These are the most comfy trainers. They're just fabulous. Hence me using them all the time, hence me wearing them all the time, and hence them being a little bit grubby and needing a little bit of a clean. I recently hit 3,000 subscribers. Thank you very much again. I love you all. And to celebrate, I gave myself a pair of Fendi costume jewellery earrings, these ones here. And I was influenced to buy these by my lovely friend Claire of Claire Louise Luxe. Not these particular ones though. She was wearing a gorgeous pair of Fendi, I think they were the Fendi O-Lock earrings when we all met up in London last September. Fabulous day. We'll have my vlog link down below. They looked fabulous on her. They looked really, really good on her. And I really, at that moment, the seed had been planted and I thought, maybe I need to try those next time I'm in Fendi. So I did try them. I didn't like them so much on me. They looked fabulous on Claire, but I've got funny little ears that stick out at the bottom. So I preferred these when I tried these on. When I went in, I tried these and I thought these are a better fit for me. But certainly trying Fendi earrings in the first place, I can lay that firmly at the feet of my good friend Claire. And the last handbag that I was influenced to buy, I am blaming entirely on my friend Amelia of Amelia Rose's Closet. And it is the Louis Vuitton Papillon trunk. Now, she does not have a pink one. She has the Louis Vuitton monogram. Absolutely gorgeous, really, really gorgeous. Love the bag, love the shape of it. Harking back to the trunks, harking back to the luggage, travel, all of those things, quintessentially Louis Vuitton. But I didn't like all of the brown on it. I didn't like the brown leather trimming and all of that. I was on 24S and I saw this and I thought, what? I kept an eye on this for almost a year before I actually took the plunge, and I'm so glad I did because it is such a fun bag. I panicked a little bit when I bought it. I thought, oh, it's ridiculous, it's pink, it's bubblegum pink, it's the shape of it, there's just too much of it that is unusual. But actually it's I love it. And the last time we went into London, I wore this and it carried so much. I was really, really impressed how usable it was. It comes with a crossbody strap as well. But yeah, great little bag. Really, really happy that I'd seen it on Amelia Rose and that I was 100% influenced by her and her styling of it to try it. Great, great, great bag. Yeah, this is probably the biggest, most expensive out of all of what I've shown you so far. This was the biggest risk, having been influenced to try something that I took, and I'm really, really happy about it. Look at it! Look at it! Look at it on me! Lovely. Okay, now for the things I haven't bought, but I would like to buy. Also, I'm just going to say I was influenced entirely by the Lion to get this Galaxy, this Samsung Flip 5 phone. Entirely down to him that I went for this one. It is a bigger phone than I am used to holding in my hand, but it does that. It's opened up doors for handbag usage and pocket usage, really. So I will have my video on this versus my luxury handbags linked down below as well, so you can go and check that out. So the other things that have come into my orbit that I really, really want to get my hands on, and I'm starting off with the same person that I blamed for my last big luxury purchase, the Louis Vuitton Papillon trunk, and that is Amelia Rose, and it is the Loewe anagram jeans. She wore these when we met up in September in London. I mean, she looked amazing. She looked amazing in them. I'd seen them and I thought, oh, they're cool, and then I saw them on Amelia and I was like, oh my god, they are really cool. Really want to get my hands on those. Now this one is one that's very unlikely for me to get my hands on, because they don't go up to my size. That's unlikely something that I've been influenced to want to try, and unlikely to be able to try. But we'll see, we'll see. The next thing is, and I didn't know this existed, I watched this on a video, Dale shared it on a video, and I was like, excuse me, what now? I did not know that existed. And Dale said she herself didn't know it existed until she saw it herself. And that is the Hermès Calvi Duo. Yes, what a snazzy little SLG. Now, I've liked the look of the Calvi, but I don't carry enough cards to merit having the slots open on both sides. But the fact that the Duo has a popper, like an enclosed, one side is fully enclosed with a little popper, it's almost like a coin purse, but without the annoying zip. And if you've watched any of my videos on my Louis Vuitton SLGs, my little coin purses, coin card purses, key card purse, coin purse things, I'll have it linked down below anyway so you can check it out. I love the actual SLG, but the zip really gets on my nerves. So to have this with a little popper, gorgeous. And Dale did get it in this really, really lovely, very, very subtle colour. I would like it in a really nice acid green. I think that would look fantastic. So I've already warned the lion that that's on my hit list, so that may or may not be something I get in the future. Meredith, Living Lux with Meredith, recently shared some of her birthday goodies with us, and they were goodies, and one of them was a new watch from Tag Heuer. And it is a steel watch with a pink face. I saw it, I went, what now? Oh my God, I absolutely loved it. I have since looked, and I do a green face one as well, which I really like the look of, but that watch, I do like watches. I'm not your smart watch kind of girl. I've got two watches. I've got my Cartier with the leather strap. This is a Cartier tank with a leather strap. Love the action on this because it's not a belty kind of one. It is a little popper clasp. Really, really love that. And my other watch is a Tag Heuer. So I already love Tag. I always wear a watch. I feel completely naked if I am not wearing a watch. And this is my everyday watch, if you like. This is my, if I'm going somewhere. And I love the stainless steel and black ceramic. I really, really love this watch. I love how masculine it is and how chunky it is. And I will wear this if I'm doing DIY or something like that. It is indestructible. And then Meredith shared that Tag Heuer that she got for her birthday, and not gonna lie, I've been thinking about it a lot since. Not gonna lie. So those are the things that I have been influenced to buy. Those are the things that I've been influenced to want to buy. Let me know what you've been influenced to buy or what you've been influenced to want to buy. Wow, in the comment section down below. And I do hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please show it the thumbs up love. And until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-tabby-dozy, and bye-bye.